What if one day the lights go out and they never come back on?
Today, a major blackout hit New York City. For 25 hours, the darkness led to total chaos with widespread looting and fires in the streets.
Part of the city's subway system lost power, leaving riders in the dark.
New York prepares for another night as Mayor Beam asks for state troopers and a National Guard standby, and recriminations fly over what caused the blackout of '77.
Could you survive without the grid? It's not just about survival, it's about freedom. Imagine living completely self-sufficient. No electric bills, no water meters, just you and nature. Curious yet? Welcome to the Prepper's Path. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey into the world of going off-grid, how you can start your own off-grid life, and what you need to know to make it possible. Going off-grid isn't just for those living in remote forests or mountain ranges. With the right planning and preparation, anyone can unplug from modern utilities and become fully independent. From solar panels and water collection systems to growing your own food, going off-grid is about sustainability and taking back control over your life. But before you pack up and leave the city behind, there are a few essential things you need to know. First, energy. How will you power your home? Solar and wind are the most common options, but there are other creative solutions out there. Then there's water. Collecting and storing clean water is non-negotiable if you want to thrive off-grid. And let's not forget food security, being able to grow and preserve enough to last through any season. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Going off-grid isn't just about technology and systems. It's about mindset. You'll need to be adaptable, resilient, and ready to face unexpected challenges. Life off-grid is rewarding, but it's not always easy. Are you prepared for that? Now that you know the basics of going off-grid, the next step is to understand the natural resources around you. Rocks may seem ordinary, but they hold incredible potential for survival and sustainability. So in our next video, we'll be talking about all the uses that can come from rocks. You won't want to miss it. If you're new here, be sure to check out some of our recent videos like Where Does Your Food Come From? Harvesting animals and creating food forests. Sustainable practices and self-sufficient gardening, your key to survival. All essential for anyone considering an off-grid life. Thanks for watching The Prepper's Path. If you're serious about prepping and self-sufficiency, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. And don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts on going off-grid. Stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next one.